So these are the questions which they have asked for JEE mains exam. So let's solve some questions. Okay. So see here, first question. If the angular momentum of a planet of mass m moving around sun in a circular orbit is L, about the center of the sun, its area velocity is, who will tell me? Yes, what? L by 2m. Yes, no, this is very, very easy. See, 4 marks question. 4 marks question. How much easy they have asked? 2019 only. Understand? Notes mein hai na? Yes? Clear? We have learned this. dA by dt. Hai na? What we have learned? dA by dt. Bolo. dA by dt is equal to L by 2m, which is always equal to constant. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Note down this question fast. 2019 JEE mains. Note down fast and write this fast. Yes, finished?
1 minute, sir. Done, sir.
Okay. So option number C is the answer. Next question. See here. What is this question number? 34. Okay. So how to solve this now? Listen carefully. I am starting from here. Okay. Concentrate. Or else shall I start from here and I will end here? Okay. 1 minute. Okay. So I will start from here. Okay. See now. The mass and the diameter of a planet are 3 times the respective values for the Earth. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum on the Earth is 2 seconds. The period of oscillation of the same pendulum on the planet would be. Now, what is there? See. Now, let us assume that this is Earth. Okay. And this is a planet. So this is mass of Earth is m. Mass of Earth is m, radius of Earth is R, and gravity on this is G. Okay. Next, now this planet is having gravity on this planet is Gp. Mass is how much, Ray? Bolo? 3 times,
3 m.
Yes, no, yes.
Yeah.
Mp is equal to 3m. Okay. And diameter is also 3 times now. So diameter of this planet is equal to 3 times diameter of Earth, we can say. So how much we will get here? Bolo? Radius of planet, that is Rp, is equal to how much? Bolo?
3r by 2.
3r
By 2.
by 2. Yes, no? Check karo, kitna aata
Yes,
hai?
sir.
If suppose
3r
he
by
has
2,
given
sir.
diameter of planet is 3 times of diameter of Earth, means I can say this diameter is nothing but equal to 3 into radius
6r,
of
sir.
Earth divided by 2 आएगा, है ना? Wait करो, देखेंगे क्या होता है ना? So you are getting dp is equal to 3r by 2. So here we are getting diameter of this planet is equal to 3r by 2. Okay, and now this diameter of planet is nothing but radius of planet divided by 2. सही है क्या? चेक करो, which is equal to 3r by 2. This 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So r of planet is equal to 3 times radius of Earth. Yes or no? Check it once, Ray.
Yes, sir.
Check it once.
Yes, sir.
सही है ना? Yes. Okay. So Rp is equal to 3r we got, right? Now what is our formula, Ray? We have one formula that is like this. So we got mass of planet also. Mass of planet is equal to how much? 3 times of mass of Earth. And radius of planet is 3r. Okay, clear? And gravity is G, and on planet it is Gp. Now time period formula is what, Ray? Time period T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. है ना? Time period formula is what? T is equal to 2 pi under root L by G. Okay. Now what to do? Yes. What I am doing? First, what I will do? T on Earth. Okay. T on Earth is equal to what? 2 pi under root L by G. This is on Earth. So that's why I am keeping in box. Why I have written 2 times? Because this is one common formula and this is on Earth. Shall I write here E? E stands for Earth. Okay, clear? Now, if I want T on planet, what I should do? 2 pi under root L by Gp. Yes or no? L by Gp. Agree with me?
Yes, sir.
And now gravity on planet formula is what, Ray? We have one formula, see, Gmp divided by Rp square. Agree with me? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Do you have this formula? Yes, no? So G into mass of planet is how much? 3 times mass of the Earth divided by Rp is how much? We are having 3r. So it's a square. How much? 9r square r? Yes, no? Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Rp
Yes,
is
sir.
equal to 3r. Its square is 9r square. So 3's are, and this 3 will get cancelled. So Gp is equal to Gm by 3r square. So can I write like this? 1 by 3 into G on the Earth, because Gm by r square is gravity of Earth, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This gm by r square is gravity of Earth. That's why g. Okay, so can I write now Tp is equal to 2 pi under root L by 1 by 3g. So this is equal to, this 3 is going up. So 2 pi under root 3 by g. Understanding? Please tell me. Yes or no?
Sir, 3L by G.
Yes. L is there. Yes, L. 2 pi under root 3L by g. Okay. So let's call this as equation number 2. Okay. Check karo. Yes or no? This is my equation number 1. This is my equation number 2. Any step which you did not understand, you can ask now only. Yes.
Understood, sir.
So see now, from equation 2, can I write like this? Tp is equal to 2 pi under root L by G into root 3. Can I write like this? Check it.
Yes, sir.
And therefore, this is already we have. What is this? Te, and T is given. How much T is given here? You see, T is equal to 2 seconds. They have already given here. You can see. Anna? And therefore, can I write like this? 2 into root 3 second. This is what your time period of the planet. And that's why, which option? Tell me which option you will get.
C, sir. Option C.
Yes. Please ask any doubt if you have. Please ask. Don't skip your doubts. Please ask if you have any doubt. This is Earth. This is planet. Clear, eh? Yes. That is simple pendulum formula, okay? Time period of a simple pendulum. T is equal to pi under root L by G. Its derivation we will learn in oscillation chapter, okay? Its derivation we will learn in oscillation chapter, okay? This question is also for 4 marks in competitive JEE main exam. It will give you 4 marks. See, try to understand, solve the questions there itself. Ask doubt there itself. Yes, clear. Understanding.
Yes, sir.
Whatever we have learned, just application of that. Just how to use G is equal to GM by R square formula. How that planet and Earth we have to compare for finding gravity and time period. That is what in this question, not so much difficult. Okay, you should practice like these problems. I think in yesterday's exam also you got like these questions, yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think how you wrote in yesterday's exam, how you wrote? All problems you solved? Yes. Good. Okay. Was it easy? Okay. Shall I go to the next problem? Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Clear hai? Noted everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So shall I clear this? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Shall I clear? Tell me. You can speak now. Shall I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. So let's go to the next question. Now, you see this question. I think you can solve this. Will you try? 2019 mains question. Will you try now this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Try. Try it fast.
Sir, third option, sir.
Third option 6.4, huh? Yes. What is your option? Option B. Abhinav को option B आ रहा है. Yes, Abhinav, your answer is right. Yes, any other answer? Yes, Avinav, which formula you have used? Yes, Avinav. Yes. Nisha, which formula you have used?
G into R square by R plus H whole square.
Yes. Because this is at altitude, hai na? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So do it now. So given G at height H is equal to how much? 4.9. Say hai na? Yes. G is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Radius of Earth 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 meter. What he is asking, H is equal to how much? Yes or no? So GH is equal to G into R square by R plus H whole square. GH is equal to how much, Ray? 4.9, huh? So 4.9 divided by this G shall I transfer on next step? Should I do on next step? In next step, 9.8 into, है ना? 1 minute. So here 4.9 is equal to 9.8 R square divided by R plus H whole square. 4.9 is 1, this is 2, है ना? So this will come here, right? 1 by 2 is equal to R square by R plus H whole square. सही है क्या निशा? Is it right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now taking square root, right? So how much you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
here? 1 by root 2 is equal to R divided by R plus H. Do it fast. 1 by root 2, how much value you are getting? Check it. Root 2 value is 1.41. सही है क्या? Yes. Can you do it from here now? Yes, tell me. Root 2 value take 1.41. So 1 divided by 1.41 is equal to R divided by R plus H. So 1 divided by 1.41 कितना आता है? Are you doing or not, Ray? 0.709 you can take. R divided by R plus H. So just do this. 0.709 R plus 0.709 H is equal to R, and therefore 0.709 H is equal to R minus 0.709 R. So 1 minus this, how much you are getting? 1 minus 0.709. कर रहे हो कि नहीं रे? 0.291 R. सही है, चेक करो. 0.3 nearly. Yes, rounding off 0.3. Okay, yes, Abhinav. And now you divide this. So what you are getting? So H is equal to 0.291 divided by, I'm writing some other side. So here shall I write this side? H is equal to 0.291 into this R is 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 divided by this 0.709. अब करो. So you are getting 2.626. Yes, 2.6 into 10 to the power 6 meter. Yes, no? You can check it. And what is the option? B, which is the correct answer. Clear? Any doubt? Please ask.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Nisha. Abhinav, yes. Yes, right. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Like this you can solve. This one is last part, okay, which I have kept in box. Yes. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Right. Now see. Okay. So these many questions was there. Right. So tomorrow again we will come. What you can say? Move ahead. Just see these models and one more time go through this. Okay. All questions. Clear? Okay.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Just go through these models. We will stop here for today.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Enjoy
Thank you, sir.
the day.